Hey friends, welcome back to another Extreme Clean with me. We are going to be cleaning the entire house today. I wanted to start this video off just a little bit different with some Florida rain. I find rain extremely therapeutic and soothing, so while it was raining, I figured I should get some footage of that and share that with you guys. Let me know in the comments below, do you enjoy the rain? I do, as long as I don't have to go anywhere. We are going to get started cleaning. If you like cleaning videos like these, I will be posting them every single week, so don't forget to subscribe.
I'm looking for a brand new start. I know I got some trouble getting over you. I think that I've played my part. I need to get away somewhere far from you. I'm a buy plane ticket. Run away by myself for a minute. I don't have any limits.
So in today's video, you will actually see me pretty much taking care of the dishes twice. This video is a whole house all day cleaning. So I will start the dishes here. I will run the dishwasher, and later in this video, you will see me unloading those dishes.
You could do better than wasting time on me, and I admit it felt so tough, but baby, I guess this is how it's meant to be.
I am going to use my Rubbermaid attachment here. I know it looks like a giant toothbrush, but it is for cleaning and getting into the crevices, and I purchased this from Target.
I'm looking for a place where I can't feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind all the time. No, I'm about I hope I met somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about plane ticket. Plane ticket.
I remember the last time I did a deep oven clean, you guys were telling me I should not use the aluminum foil, but honestly it works for me. I have never had any trouble with it, so it is free, and that is what I'm going to use because I don't see a problem with it.
I'm gonna get away from it all. I'm a buy plane ticket, run away for a minute. There will be no limits. I'm looking for a place where I can't feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind all the time. No, I'm about I hope I met somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about plane ticket. Plane ticket. Plane ticket.
It felt so good to spend the entire day deep cleaning the house. Every room got touched, and honestly, I've said this before, but I love doing this, especially waking up in the morning and having the house all clean. But I mean, it was extra clean today. It felt so good, and it made me feel so energized and so motivated. I find that the hardest part is just starting. So if you can just, if you're having trouble and you don't want to get things done, just start. Give yourself 10 minutes, and you will see more times than not that 10 minutes will keep going and going, because the momentum happens and you are able to get so energized by seeing the things that you are tackling and getting done. It is the best therapy. I love it, and I have been struggling with getting things, just getting up and getting motivated and getting moving, but I reminded myself again the other day, you just gotta start. You have to start somewhere. kind of embarrassing to say that we always have these laundry baskets right here. Our laundry room is so small. I think I'm going to start using Isabella's room since she's not in there to put these baskets, but this is the first thing that people see when they come in, and you think it would help me get motivated to just do all of the laundry, but I struggle so hard with staying on top of the laundry. I think I did, oh my word, probably like 7 loads the other day because I just started getting so lax with it. So if you want to make your life easier, just do 1 load a day. I'm telling you from experience, not because I'm a professional, just because I know that's what works, but it's even hard for me to get there and do it consistently. So whenever it rains, I will usually take my plants outside. I only have this one here, a peace lily, and I'm so proud of myself that I have kept her alive for a really long time. But I really think the secret is allowing it to get some natural rainwater. It perks right up, and she's so beautiful.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end.
Last week we did a massive decluttering. It was huge. You guys loved that video. I will put that in a card above, and it will also be in my playlist that I have in my description box. If you guys watch a video and you are not done and you want more cleaning motivation, whether to watch or just to have some upbeat music, I will always have my cleaning playlist in my description box. You can go there, and there are days worth of cleaning videos that you can watch. But last week we did the decluttering. You guys loved it. And Thursday I'm going to have a bonus video. We are going to be doing some deep cleaning. I'm going to be scrubbing the baseboards with magic erasers. I'm going to be painting the baseboards. And I think I'm going to add a little self-care routine with that. If I do just a self-care routine, that will not do very well on my channel. That's just how YouTube does things. So I'm going to do a deep clean and self-care routine. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure your notifications are on so you can see that on Thursday.
I get unstable in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable. I get unstable.
So I made a little area over here. We did just have the orchid, but I decided to add this basket, a couple of books to prop it up on, and my Desert Mist diffuser. I love it. She is so beautiful. You can have different color lights. You can have a candlelit look. It is beautiful, and I added some really vibrant Citrus Fresh in there because it gives me so much energy and is so invigorating. And I love having this little area over here. I feel like it makes it so cozy.
I push you back, I hold you close.
is my little sweetheart. She is always my little sidekick, her and Ruby. You guys love seeing her, and she is such a doll. Many of you ask me, I try to answer it, but she is a Cavachon, an F1B Cavachon. She's supposed to be hypoallergenic and non-shedding, but she sheds. So I should have done my research a little bit better, but we are in love with her, and I guess we will be dealing with shedding for the rest of her days. She's a love, and I don't regret her one bit. She is a part of the family, and I just can't live without her. Go through the room and dust like always, and as I'm doing this with voiceover, I realize I need to dust already again. I don't think I will ever purchase black furniture. I'm debating on whether I want to chalk paint it or just get new furniture. I've had this for 9 years now. I love it. We got it from Rooms to Go, and they still have it to this day. They have a ton of other colors, but I know that I would like something lighter now just to make the room feel more open.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
So I'm going to fix up my little area here. If you have been here for a while, you know I usually have everything up by the sink, by the right side of the sink, but I just felt like it was always so cluttered. So I'm taking this old tray that I actually was using the diffuser and all the oils in my bedroom. I put a little wooden tray there to make a little section under my TV, and I've taken the glass tray, which I got from Home Goods a very long time ago, and I'm putting these dollar store glass containers, and I'm using them to store my toothbrush and brushes. They are perfect.
Just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime.
So I am going to do some of Chris's clothes. I'm going to strip them here. I am just adding a half a cup of Tide powder, and then a quarter cup of the borax and a quarter cup of the Arm & Hammer laundry booster. I just mixed the two. If you saw my last laundry stripping video in the big glass jar, just mix the two. So I just basically take a half a cup, and that works for me. Super, super hot water, as hot as you can possibly get it. Let everything dissolve and then throw your clothes in it. While I decided to do this, we've been trying to do it every single week and it has worked. Then Josiah decided he wanted to get his shoes in on the action, which they needed it because they were stinky. He likes to leave them outside. We also took Chris's clean work shirts that were hanging up in his closet, and we are going to strip those as well. As much as I love my handheld vacuums, all my vacuums, you guys know I love them. When it comes to sweeping, especially the bathroom, I really love using a broom because you can get right up on the baseboards and kind of dust those. So it's kind of killing two birds with one stone. Speaking of vacuums, I want to remind you guys, I'm going to have the video in my description box as well as in the cards above right here. I have a video and my friend and I are giving away a shark vacuum, the one you see here in the video and the one she uses as well. You want to make sure you go to that video, make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you let us know that you've done everything that is in the description box. Super easy. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed and you can be entered in to winning one of those vacuums. I think we're going to let it go on for one more week. I wanted to give it enough time so everybody could watch the video and everyone could enter. So we wanted it to go on for at least 3 weeks. So I think next week we will be stopping it. I think. So make sure you go to that video. Make sure you're subscribed. You want to let us know that you've done everything so you can be entered because you want one of these vacuums. They are amazing. So I am actually using the old paper towel I used to clean the mirror, and I've taken my PDI wipes because I couldn't find my gloves, put it under there to protect my hands, and I am wiping the baseboards, the wall, and the floor because they are nasty. also wanted to say, in case you guys ask where my shirt is from, Jane.com. I get my t-shirts there the majority of time, and I think it was $8, and I love it. I don't have a link for it, but you can try Jane.com and see if they still have them in stock. Moving into my boys' room, I am just going to tidy up this room and kind of get it ready for them when they go to bed tonight. I will always tidy it up before they go to bed if it's messy. So if I can do this now, great. And I know that it needs a good vacuuming. I will add the video above where I showed the complete bedroom transformation in here. This is still one of my favorite room transformations I have done. I love the way everything turned out. This room feels so cohesive and cozy. It's just my favorite, and my kids love it too, and they hang out in here a lot. We are going to unload the dishes. You can tell that this was a all day cleaning. So we're going to unload the dishes. I'm going to take care of this, and then I am going to move on to the final stages of today's cleaning.
I got your letter. Guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes. No need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. You broke us down in disguise. No need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this, cause ooh, 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 ooh. We're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me.
It is time to mop this entire house. You will see the mess that my son made. He actually tried to get himself some grape juice, and he dropped the entire full bottle all over the floor. So I will be showing you that because it was a mess, and they actually went to my mom's for a little bit while I was cleaning because some family was in town, and they told me I could finish mopping and doing what I needed to do. But as he was walking out, he was like, Mom, since you're gonna mop, I should tell you I spilled grape juice. And I was like, well, where? And he's like, well, I cleaned it up, but it's behind the refrigerator. Okay, bye. And then they left. So I'm gonna be showing you really what he's talking about. It was such a mess.
Even if it's hard to see, I'll try to let go. It's not easy, Some things are not meant to be. Let's skip the apologies. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this, cause ooh, 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 ooh. We're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now.
I'm going to finish up mopping in here, and then I'm going to move into my bedroom. I love mopping these floors. These are actually engineered vinyl floors, and they clean up so well. And if anything gets on them, you can just pretty much scrape it with your fingernail and it comes right off. Love them. And they're softer than tile, so I love that. I feel like tile is very like hard and cold, so these vinyl floors are amazing. I highly recommend them, and they're completely waterproof, which thank God, because as soon as we put them in, our dishwasher broke and started pouring everywhere. So I want to show you what it looks like now. Look at all of this dirty water. The bathroom actually kind of smells because it pulls all of the odors out of the clothes. So the water's completely cold at this point, because that's what you're supposed to do, is scorching hot and then completely cold, let it sit there, and then pull everything out, throw it in the wash. You don't need additional detergent, and wash it and dry it. Works like a charm, works really well, and it works on even white clothes and clean clothes. So if you really want to test this, seriously, throw a whole bunch of like your workout clothes that are clean, and you'll see how much it pulls out. Look at this.
I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea. What will be, want to make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a.
So we will put those in the wash and then take care of that. But the sheets and comforter are clean. You saw me put that in the washing machine many hours before. So I'm going to make my bed. I've already taken a shower. I am so ready. I'm telling you, cleaning is totally my cardio. I'm sweaty, and it is a full body workout. So if you guys don't want to go to the gym, deep clean your house. I'm not even joking. It works so well. You'll realize the next day that every muscle hurts, and if you've got some really good music and you dance along with it, you'll burn even more calories. I want to thank you all for watching today's video. Make sure you leave a heart, or just let me know that you are still here to the very end. That means so much to me. Don't forget to like this video. It just shows me that, hey, you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet already, hit that subscribe button. We have a weekly cleaning motivation coming, and I'm also going to have a lot of decor as well. So I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. I love you all so, so much. I appreciate you more than you know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Without you, it ain't the same without you. I've tried